Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is freedom through faith. It's time to continue to believe that what you're doing in your work is going to work out. There's a saying in the business world: a business is not profitable until 2 to 5 years of being in production, to actually being in work. So it's time to put in the work and continue to believe in yourself, no less than on the first day to the last day, the first day or to the 5th year. It takes time for breakthrough. It takes time to create a cake. It takes time to create that hot meal that's going to last and fill you up for a long time. I calm my thoughts and I rise above all fear. I free myself of all doubt by entrusting my doubts to God. I have faith in God's perfect timing and placement, and I find trust in His will, and I find freedom. You're in the right place, right time, putting in the right efforts. Things always don't happen overnight. It can happen quicker than we can plan. But we go by the 2 to 5 year rule, and we're consistent. Consistency is key. Make sure you continue to put some more energy behind your beliefs and what you're creating. Guaranteed it will come out right. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too.